Hello YouTube friends. I wasn't planning on doing a video today, but I just got this in the mail, so I thought I would unbag it with you. And this is an exciting unbagging for me because this is something that wasn't really on my radar, and I'm very excited to show you what I got. So I placed an order with Dress Up Your Purse, and I have ordered from them before, and I like the quality of their items. But I was recently on their website, and I was wanting like a little Kurigami style pouch. And I know that Hello Catwalk City has lots of videos with items from Dress Up Your Purse. And she also had a coupon code on hers. So go ahead and check out her videos for that coupon code. I saved 15%. So that was really helpful. But one of these items was in their outlet section. And I am just so excited to see it. So let me go ahead and unbag this. I just opened up the flap because it was taped down really well. So let's see. First item. Oh, it's so cute. Both of these are Vachetta leather. Oh, that's very cute. Looks like this is the opening here. And this is the little mini envelope pouch. So it's like the little Kurigami. It is so lightweight, but that's real Vachetta leather. So it should age and patina the way Vachetta does. It is so cute. And from what I've seen in other videos, it's a little bit bigger than the smallest Kurigami pouch, which is perfect to me. And inside it says, Dress Up Your Purse. Right there. It's just the raw leather on the other side. And then it has this cute keychain and a little Louis Vuitton looking clasp, so you can use it as a bag charm if you want. Or you could tuck these in. And it's just very simple. And look at that, it even has the red edging on it, the red edge coat, just like Louis Vuitton with the yellow stitching. Oh, is that cute or what? Let's see. I have a stack of gift cards here. Let me just see. I think there are 6 here. So I can show you how these fit. Oh, look at that. You could easily get twice as many, at least 12 cards in here. And then it's got a little snap. Oh, that is so perfect. I love this. I'm going to use this a lot. I can tell. I've seen people put face masks in here. You can use it for lots of other things. But I think primarily I'm going to use it for like my store cards or gift cards. So I think that's going to be great. Now, keeping in the Vachetta line, the next one is what I am very excited to see. So let's see here. Put that here. Aha. Oh, okay, the price on this one, I believe this was $39. And this was not in the outlet section, or no, $35. This was not in the outlet section. This was just the regular section under their little SLGs and pouches. So I think right now it's sold out, or else I would put a link to it, but I just checked this morning and it is sold out. Now look at this. Oh my god, this is so nice. This is a Vachetta leather Agenda MM size. Oh, it is so nice. Look at that. I wanted one to replace or to use in conjunction with this one. This is what I usually use just at home as my little work one. This is not LV, it's just a little rinky-dink one. But I use it a lot, I use it all the time. And that size is so nice. So I wanted something that would be a compatible size with that, so I could also use the refills. Now, you're not going to believe the price on this, and they still have them, so I'm going to put the link down below. Let's open it up. It's got a snap. That is beautiful. Look at the crafting on this. It's all the suede backing, the other side of the leather, the raw side. You've got a pen holder here. All these nice little slip pockets for cards. Oh my goodness, and even a zippered pocket. Can you believe that? Let's see if the zipper works well. It's a little, there we go. A little stiff, but it's there. Oh yeah, just it'll, I'm going to wax paper that. But if you want to carry, say, coins or cash over on this side and use this as kind of like a wallet agenda, oh, that's amazing. And then you've got lots of room in here and in here. Now the price of this, just this, was $29. And then I got it with the refills included. So it's got the calendars and the notes, and it was only $39. Can you believe that? $39 for something that's the same size exactly as the Agenda MM in all Vachetta leather. I don't know how they're selling them for that price. It is just beautiful. I thought for sure it would arrive and it would have little dings or marks or something on it. No, it's perfect. So it's got the calendars. Look at that. Oh, this is so nice. I love this. $39. I feel like I got these for free. And they're just going to soften up and get a sheen to them and a tan like regular Vachetta leather. Absolutely beautiful. I am so happy with these. So go ahead and check out Dress Up Your Purse. They have a number of really interesting things. They have a lot of things in Vachetta, regular leather, lambskin. They have some really pretty kind of reflective, kind of like an oil slick looking lambskin for their pieces. They have tassels, straps that'll match any Louis Vuitton bag. So go ahead and check out Dress Up Your Purse. I do not have my own coupon code, but you can check out Hello Catwalk City. Her videos usually have one in there. I hope you liked this unbagging video. I sure did. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.